Welcome to SparkMap. This tutorial will demonstrate how to find indicator source information for the SparkMap Community Needs Assessment. The SparkMap Community Needs Assessment includes data from more than 100 reliable secondary sources. Indicator source information can be found on SparkMap in 4 places: when selecting indicators to include in your Community Needs Assessment, under each data table in a completed Community Needs Assessment, in the Source and Methodology Appendix, and in the Community Needs Assessment Indicator List. First, you can find indicator source information on the SparkMap Community Needs Assessment Data Indicator Selection page. Simply click the I button next to the indicator name, and a pop-up with additional information will appear. Source information is located near the bottom of the pop-up. Click the name of the source to navigate to the source's website. Next, you can find indicator source information under each data table in the completed Community Needs Assessment. Click the name of the source to navigate to the source's website. The third way to find indicator source information is to generate a Source and Methodology Appendix from a completed Community Needs Assessment. To create a Source and Methodology Appendix, click the Report Options button at the top right of the page. Then, click the button next to Source and Methodology. Source and Methodology information will now appear where your report just was. You can click the Download As button to download your Source and Methodology Appendix as a PDF. The final way to find indicator source information is in the SparkMap Community Needs Assessment Indicator List. To access this list, click the Data tab at the top of the navigation bar. Then, click Community Needs Assessment Indicator List. A list of all available indicators will populate, including source information for each indicator. Note that indicator availability varies depending on SparkMap subscription level. Availability by subscription level can also be found on the Community Needs Assessment Indicator List. If you have questions about indicator source information or need additional assistance, please reach out to us at sparkmap@missouri.edu.